Hi, it's Maud Betty from Retro Roadmap. While I always encourage you to shop at independent mom and pop shops, right now it's more important than ever. Your local business owners and employees are your neighbors and friends. They care about the well-being of your community and are invested in its future. Did you know that if each family in the U.S. spends just $10 a month at a locally owned independent business instead of a national chain, over $9.3 billion would be directly returned to our economy? Here are some fun ideas of how you can help support your community. Get food to go from your favorite local restaurant or coffee shop. Don't forget your town brew pubs and distilleries. Order a book online from an independent bookstore. Become a member of your closest downtown movie theater. Fill your fridge with fresh foods from your favorite farmer's market. Can't make a decision? Buy a gift card. Spend your money where your heart is. It's an investment in the kind of community you want to live in.